Magandang hapon po ng April 18, 2026 Saturday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng April 18, 2026 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, April 18, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for April 18, 2026 Saturday. Here are the tonnage jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Lotto 642 for Saturday, April 18, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for April 18, 2026 Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.